Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel in Arabic with Dina. I have a great song to help you pronounce alphabet with short vowels. Are you ready? Let's get started. I remember you when I see Fatha, we open our mouth like this. When we see a kasra, we move its chin down like that. When we see a dhamma, we round our lips like that. Now, I reading with you alphabet with short vowels. A, E, U, A, E, U. Baby boo, baby boo. Repeat after me. Tetitu, tetitu. Sasisu, sasisu. Jajiju, jajiju. Hahihu, hahihu. Khahihu, khahihu. Dadidu, dadidu. Zazizu, zazizu. Rariru, rariru. Zazizu, zazizu. Sasisu, sasisu. Shashishu, shashishu. Sasisu, sasisu. Dadidu, dadidu. Tatitu, tatitu. Zazizu, zazizu. Ai'u, ai'u. Ghaghigu, ghaghigu. Fasifu, fasifu. Qaqiqu, qaqiqu. Kakiku, kakiku. Lalilu, lalilu. Mamimu, mamimu. Naninu, naninu. Hahihu, hahihu. Wawiwu, wawiwu. Yayiyu, yayiyu. What is your opinion about my song? I hope this song help you to pronounce alphabet with short vowels by easily. If you like my song, tell me in the comments to see your opinion. And if you have any question also, tell me in the below of comments, and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you later.